Do torque and tension of this bolt comply to ISO 16047? Do the mechanical and performance properties meet the requirements of ISO 2320? Does this coating behave to VDA 235-203 under production conditions? Schatz Analyze is the most advanced laboratory system for threaded fastener analysis. The clamping force thread friction transducer precisely measures the tension. The assembly torque and the rotational angle are determined by the torque angle transducer. The brushless DC motor holds the predefined speed constant at any load. The measuring and control unit operates the full test procedure and registers all measured results. The advanced software Test Expert allows easy operations with complex functionalities. The test sequence is started with the push of a button at the control box. The wizards support easy programming of testing specifications to prepare the measuring procedure. Functional blocks are joined together like building blocks for programming the desired specification. All dimensions of threaded fasteners can be found in the thread-specific database. A testing procedure to ISO 16047 can be created simply with just a few clicks of a mouse. Fast changing adapter sets align the threaded fastener to the clamping force thread friction transducers. Adapters are available for testing nuts or bolts. Testing sequences are accomplished fast and effectively. The fastener to be tested is applied and the system starts the testing procedure with the push of a button. During each testing procedure, the motor drive is able to proceed at different speeds, for example, to determine the assembly behavior under production conditions. The online graphics enable the operator to assess exceptional behavior of the fastener during the testing sequence. Measured values and determined tightening characteristics are statistically calculated and displayed in charts. Research and development gets valuable information about the bolted joint behavior during assembly by thorough measuring diagrams. Friction diagrams show the relationship of torque and tension. The Report Design Wizard supports the creation of documentation. The Schatz Analyze laboratory system is customized to your individual needs. Original nut runner systems are controlled by Schatz Analyze for simulating production conditions. The smallest fasteners from the aerospace industry can be tested, as well as huge fasteners for power plants up to 15,000 Nm. The actuator allows bolted joint analysis of big parts up to 2,000 Nm. Assembly and turn-off behavior is analyzed under heat conditions in the climatic chamber. Schatz Analyze is the most advanced system for fastener testing, meeting the requirements of all national and international standards.